Just like every year, I again gifted myself a life planner. So this is TinyChange 2024 dated classic life planner. I bought this for rupees 1099. Here you will receive mini pocket and meal planner along with the main diary. This year classic planner is exactly same as that of 2023 except the main diary color and few text related changes. If you wanted to see the planner page by page and in very detail, you can refer my last year review and unboxing video. Video link is in the I button and description box. Top things I really like about this planner is it is well structured, balanced explanation, insightful questions, very thoughtfully designed, keeping everyone in mind, easy to carry and good paper quality. Their stickers, bookmarks, cards are also same as that of last year. If you are serious about planning and more focused about the content inside, then you can definitely go ahead with this planner. This year TinyChange has launched lot of new planners and journals in different categories. So here are my top picks. First one is 2024 dated minimal planner. On Amazon, this is for $4.98. Perfect for gifting and self-use if you are looking something in budget. Next is 12 months undated wellness planner. This one is priced at rupees 968. Here space under the daily planning pages is more as the size of the diary is bigger than that of normal life planner. This one is interesting. It's an undated 12 month student planner. This is again for 968, ideal for 12 years plus aged students and very good option for gifting as well. Now this one is 12 months undated planner cum journal, priced at rupees 798. Here under daily planning, entire one page is dedicated to your weekly planning and the right section is provided for journaling your thoughts. All the product links are in the description box and comment section. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.